Here, we will discuss how to measure the size and how to use the knee cap with patellar ring. Knee cap with patellar ring is available in 4 sizes. Measure circumference around mid-thigh, approximate 6 inches above knee. Then refer to the chart printed on the box of the product. Now, let us see how to wear the knee cap with patellar ring. Apply the product with the wider side placed upwards with a pull-on action. Patella should align with patellar ring, enclosed within the striped portion. Now, let us see how to remove the knee cap with patellar ring. The product can be simply pulled down for easy removal. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.